Mediator of fever. The most important mediator of fever are interleukin 1, tumor necrotic factor alpha, and prostaglandin E2. But up to some extent in some book they also said that interleukin 6 is also the mediator of fever. Now the mnemonic, I made a mnemonic, and the mnemonic here is alpha 16 is flying. This is alpha 16, okay, and is flying. Just remember alpha 16 is flying. Alpha is for tumor necrotic factor alpha. From this 16 you just say interleukin 1, interleukin 6, and flying this F is for fever. And in the fever, if you see there are two E word, this E is for E2, which we can say prostaglandin E2. The three most important mediator of fever are tumor necrotic factor alpha, interleukin 1, and prostaglandin E2. Now some MCQs, that fever in inflammation is caused by interleukin 1, tumor necrotic factor alpha, prostaglandin, but they didn't say which one prostaglandin. Tumor necrotic factor beta, vasodilation. The answer here will be like, if you just remember alpha 16 is flying, so tumor necrotic factor alpha and interleukin 1. So the right answer is 1, A. The right answer is A. Now patient having 102 Fahrenheit temperature, they will always, sometime they will mention in the MCQs about the temperature, I mean about the fever. And so which factor is likely to be involved? Interleukin 1, prostaglandin E2, tumor necrotic factor alpha, interleukin 5, interleukin 6, interferon. The answer is probably like alpha 16 is flying, so tumor necrotic factor alpha, interleukin 1, and prostaglandin. So the right answer here is A. Now which one of the following mediator is directly linked to fever? As here they also mention interleukin 6, interleukin 1. The most important is interleukin 1. The answer here will be B, interleukin 1. Now for prostaglandin E2, you must have to remember the three functions: fever, and they also mediate the pain, mediate the fever. They also prostaglandin also protection of gastric mucosa, and it also lead to vasodilation. All these are going to become in MCQs. And just for the fever, you will remember there are two E in this word. So this is how you will remember prostaglandin E2 is mediating fever. But how about the pain? As I already uploaded another video on this, that mediator of pain. So pain because of B, and this B was for bradykinin, and this you see E was E2, that is for pain. Okay, so prostaglandin E2 mediate the pain, and prostaglandin E2, it is going to cause fever, pain, and it also protect the gastric mucosa, and it also lead to vasodilation.